welcome back to my channel. I am laicharris, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a wear test and review of the new Fenty skin tint. So if you're interested in seeing my thoughts and opinions, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're going to get into the product. I got the skin tint in the color 20, and this was based off of their Instagram post. They had an Instagram post showing your shade and the ranges and everything. It's 25 shades in this compared to their 40 something foundation shades. So somehow they grouped all of those shades into 25, and my shade is supposed to be 20. Now I'm not quite sure because like based off of the pictures they showed for like 20, my regular color is 420 and then this is 20. Based it off of those, it looks a little weird, but we're gonna see. This is what it looks like here. I mean, it's kind of like a frosted container, so I guess we'll see like true color once I put it on my skin. But before I get into that, we're just going to talk about what it's supposed to do and the specs and everything. So yeah, like I said before, there's 25 shades. It is supposed to be an instant blurring skin tint. I guess maybe like a BB cream or like tinted moisturizer or something. It's supposed to be buildable to light medium coverage, and it has quick blur complex for a hydrating diffused effect. It is supposed to smooth the texture and work well with primer and skincare. I've seen a lot of girls use the SPF that she has along with this, so we'll see later. You're supposed to apply with your fingers or a brush, either way, and it's supposed to be humidity, sweat, and transfer resistant. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna wear this for a little bit today. You know, we gotta still wear a mask, so we'll see. And yeah, so let's get into it. I do not have the Fenty SPF, but I do have an SPF that I wear on a regular. So this is the SPF that I like to use. This is the Black Girl Sunscreen, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. And this is what the girls were doing on like all the little ads. They were adding their sunscreen and then applying their skin tint. So I'm gonna see. I'm nervous to see what this is gonna be like because I only got one color. They said it was 20, but like I said, the models just looks a little, it looked a little different than me. I feel like the model is more like neutral, like olive, and I'm more like neutral red or warm, like I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just gonna do a little swatch on my face. Okay, I feel like it looks a little different on camera. Like on camera, to me it's given, maybe it's background too, I feel like it's given more like cool, or it might look the same, I don't know, but it just looks more like orange, like warm on my face. And then on the camera I really feel like it's because of the lighting and everything, but I mean it looks like 420s. And I guess I'll just do my finger on this side. It's kind of hard to do with your fingers when you have nails, but whatevs. I mean, I would say that it's matching. I can't really tell. I don't know. Let's see. Add some more. I mean, it matches for the most part. Like, it's doing what it needs to be doing. I mean, I just want to see if it, like the coverage. I have more marks on my forehead than anything, so we're gonna see if it's covering it up. It looks like it is. I really feel like I need to use a brush though, because these nails and everything is just like in the way. I mean, it doesn't look like I have much of anything on. I guess that's the point. It did cover up a little bit of my forehead, but I really feel like I have to just blend it better with my brush because I can't really tell with the fingers and my nails keep getting in the way. So I'm just going to use a smaller brush and just apply this all over the rest, and then we'll see. Like, luckily my skin is getting a little bit better, so I don't have too much to coverage. I will probably have to put some mascara under my eyes. I mean, not mascara. I will have to put some concealer underneath my eyes because, you know, I have my little dark circles and stuff, but we're gonna see. I'm just trying to take this makeup off my fingers. Okay, so this is it, blend it all in. I mean, that's a cute little coverage. It's really not much. It's very light. I mean, if I wanted to keep putting more on, I guess the coverage would get better, but I really don't think I need more. It's a cute little coverage. Like, I guess I'm just not used to wearing like light coverage stuff, but I mean, this would be cute for the summer because I really don't feel like I have much on. It doesn't feel tight. It just feels like nothing on my skin, and I kind of like that. And you know, it matches my skin, I would say. But yeah, I'm just gonna put on my under eye concealer and maybe just a little bit of powder on that so it doesn't crease, and then just like powder my nose and like T-zone, because that's like where I'm oily at the most. So yeah. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after I put on my under eye concealer. I did my eyes. I just put a little bit of my like gold in my inner corners and some mascara, and then powder on my T-zone area and some lip gloss. So this is what it looks like. It really feels like nothing. Like, I don't have anything on my face at all. I don't feel like I have on makeup. I don't feel disgusting or anything like that. It has a nice little glow on the cheeks. It is giving luminous. It is giving natural. This is what I want to look like all summer. Like, just still cute, but like not caked on. So this is what it looks like here. It's not really hot outside, I don't think, today. I am going to be going out. I'm going to have my mask on so we can test if it's transfer proof. As far as like humidity and like the water resistant and stuff like that, I don't know, because it's not really hot, humid or anything right now. That will kind of have to be tested out later. If you're in like a warmer climate, maybe you can test it out. But as far as like right now, I do like the way it's looking. It's looking cute. It is my skin color, surprisingly. It matches me. And yeah, so I'll just check back later. Let me see what time it is now. It is now 5:05, and so I'll check back later, probably towards the end of the night, tell you guys how it wore, tell you guys if it transferred, you know, with the mask and everything. I don't know about the humidity and the sweat and all that stuff, but we'll see. You never know. I don't know what I could be doing, but yeah, that's what it's looking like. It's really cute. I love the cheeks. I should put some blush on or something. I might do that later, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I guess I'll take a picture to see like if it's my shade for real, for real. I mean, yeah, for the most part, it's my shade. You can see the highlight where I put like my concealer and everything, but I think it's cute. So yeah, we'll come back later and I'll show you guys what it looks like after a few hours. Okay guys, so I am back with a different shirt on. You know, I changed my shirt when I left out. But anyways, it is now 11:02. And this is what my face is looking like 6 hours later. So, I mean, it's still cute. It looks like my skin, basically. I don't know if anything like came off. I mean, I had the mask on, so maybe some did rub off, but it doesn't look terrible. I am oily like in my middle area, so like around my nose. I'm a little shiny on my chin, but it's not necessarily oily. I mean, it looks like skin, except for like around here. I could definitely blot, but I haven't. And I mean, it still doesn't feel like I have on makeup, and like I just want to scratch it off or wipe it off like I do with regular foundation. At the end of the day, I just want to wipe it off because it's too much. But this is comfortable, like not tight at all, doesn't feel caked up. It still looks good. Granted, it wasn't warm, so I don't know if it's like sweat and humidity resistant. It says it's transfer resistant. This is my mask after having it on, so it did transfer a little bit on like the nose part, but the rest is pretty much good. Like, that's my oilier area too, so everywhere else is pretty matte. And I didn't put any powder. I only put powder like in the areas where it got oily. So yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. I do like the coverage. It was light to medium. I do like the color, everything, you know, it's cute. So yeah, this is my little review. This is my little wear test. I do like it. I'm definitely going to be wearing this in the summertime. Hopefully it holds up like this. We'll have to see what it looks like once, you know, it starts getting warmer outside because it was chillier today. But yeah, this is my video. This is my review. If you like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, make sure that you like this video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.